everybody, it's Tyler with McDermott Design, and today we're going to be installing our rear seat Molle panel on the RZR Xpedition. These Molle panels are going to mount under the rear seats using factory hardware, and all you're going to need for the install is a T30 Torx bit. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flip our seats up and then unbolt the top 4 T30 Torx bolts on both sides of the 60/40 split on the rear of the car here. All right, now that we have those 4 bolts out of the way, we're going to take our Molle panel and position it in place. Once we have that there, we're going to make sure all of our holes are lined up, and then just one at a time, we're going to go around and get these started. And that's it. Simple enough install. We just go ahead and make sure those are all fully tightened up. With our rear seat Molle panel here, we have the ability to mount things underneath the seat without affecting the capabilities of the seat. So while you have stuff mounted here, when the seat is flipped down, it stows nicely out of the way, and it doesn't affect this opening or closing in any way, shape, or form. So you still have a fully functioning seat, but you also have storage capacity underneath it in the form of a Molle panel. If you guys have any questions on this one, make sure you let us know in the comments below. We look forward to hearing from you, and stay safe out there on the trails.